You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
As with all superbike lovers, after finishing watching a successful MotoGP season, many fans are found muttering to themselves, "Man, I wish I could own that bike." If you're an Aprilia factory fan, the RSV4 and RSV4 factory is the closest thing you will find to a full-fledged MotoGP machine in their entire 2022 model lineup. Last year brought a brand new engine to the RSV4 family in the form of a 1099 cubic centimeters inline-4 capable of laying down a heart-stopping 217 claimed horsepower. Along with numerous overhauls to their entire lineup last year, the RSV4 brothers saw updates to their aesthetics in the form of MotoGP-inspired winglets for added downforce in addition to a major over-facelift. To experience the full force of Aprilia's performance catalog, the Italian motorcycle designer offers a factory edition with upgraded performance parts to increase handling and maneuverability. The RSV4 factory is Aprilia's top-of-the-line model in their entire 2022 lineup, and it has the added bonuses to give it a leg up when compared to the standard version. A bigger TFT dash gives you more visual real estate to control Aprilia's Performance Ride Control (APRC) system utilizing a new Marelli ECU and 6-axis inertial system for added computational assists depending on your rider modes. The factory edition also brings lightweight forged aluminum wheels, semi-active Alliance Smart Easy 2.0 suspension, and Brembo Stylema brakes to boot. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 starts at $18,999/$20,995 Canadian dollars. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 factory starts at $25,999/$27,495 Canadian dollars.